You know that one thing that's always ruined foldable phones? That ugly, distracting, impossible to ignore crease right down the middle. For years, every company tried to fix it. Samsung tried, Google tried, everyone claimed it was better. But what if I told you in 2026, one company didn't just improve it, they basically made it disappear? This is the OPPO Find N6, and this might be the moment foldable phones finally became normal. Because the first thing people are noticing is simple: the crease is almost gone. Not reduced, not improved, almost invisible. In fact, this phone is officially being described as having a zero feel crease, meaning you can barely see it, and even more importantly, you can barely feel it when you swipe across the display. And that changes everything. So how did OPPO actually pull this off? This is where it gets crazy. They didn't just redesign the hinge, they reinvented how the hinge is built at a microscopic level. OPPO uses something called 3D liquid printing. Here's what that means. Each hinge is laser scanned to detect even the tiniest imperfections. Then microscopic droplets of polymer are injected into those gaps and instantly hardened with UV light, over and over again, until the surface becomes almost perfectly smooth. The result? A display that folds but doesn't leave a deep valley behind. And that's not all. They combine that with a second-generation titanium flexion hinge, designed to reduce pressure on the screen when folding, plus a new layer called Auto Smoothing Flex Glass that literally helps the screen flatten itself out over time. So when you open the phone, it doesn't just look flat, it becomes flatter the more you use it. And the numbers back it up. We're talking about a crease that's been reduced by over 80% compared to previous models, to the point where it's been described as imperceptible in testing. That's not an upgrade, that's a breakthrough. Now let's talk about everything else, because this isn't just a one-trick phone. You're getting a massive 8.12-inch inner display, a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, a huge 6000 mAh battery, and a 200 megapixel Hasselblad camera system. This is not a concept device. This is a full flagship. But here's where it gets even more interesting. When you compare it to other foldables right now, Samsung's latest Fold still has a visible crease. Google's Pixel Fold still shows that bend. Even ultra-thin foldables still haven't solved this completely. And then you look at the Find N6, and suddenly they all feel outdated. So the OPPO Find N6 isn't just another phone, it's a signal. The foldable era is finally ready. And if you want to know the latest information on Apple's upcoming foldable device, please make sure to like this video, share and subscribe to Creative Specs.